best ways to draw inspiration is to always recognize great work done by our fellow citizens. I am of the firm belief that we need not always look at historical figures to draw inspiration. We need not always go to a Swami Vivekananda from the 19th century or a Mahatma Gandhi to draw inspiration from today. There is abundant inspiration available if we just look outside, because there are phenomenal people doing some amazing work which is making tremendous impact on the society. And it is the duty of the society to recognize such people, honor them, and make them heroes and role models so that the others in the society will also start treading the same path as these heroes are doing. And I'm really happy that today, Rotary Club of Bangalore, with the help of Deccan Herald and many other partner institutions, has recognized a few very eminent Bengalurians who have all in the last 1 year played a very important role in giving direction to the society in different walks of life. I am also extremely glad that V. Ravichandran ji from eVidyaloka has got the recognition of being the outstanding NGO. I must recall today, I see Ravichandran ji here. I also see Sanjay Udani ji smiling. Sanjay ji, I am so happy that you have recognized eVidyaloka. It happens to be an NGO in my constituency from Bengaluru South. Last year, I had the opportunity and privilege of going to eVidyaloka in their office in BTM layout, spending some time with the incredible volunteers. And I must tell you today that what eVidyaloka had envisioned a few years ago is going to be the future of education everywhere. In the last 2 years, almost 1.5 years because of COVID, schools closed, but teaching did not stop. Learning did not stop because of e-education. In the previous century as well as this century, you, me, all of us are products of an education system which is a model based on the 19th century industrial revolution model. One size fits all education will not go forward, will not succeed in the coming days. Education has to be made more accessible, more affordable, and it has to be tailor-made to suit the needs of every individual child and his individual genius. And that's the job that eVidyaloka has been doing so efficiently all across the country. It's a pride of our state. And I'm happy today that such an important NGO has been recognized for their outstanding work.
Outstanding NGO Award. Rotary Club of Bangalore takes pride in acknowledging a fellow non-governmental organization for its outstanding service to the community. This NGO has excelled in providing human service in the fields of literacy, health, and alleviating poverty, being a sustainable organization whose work has been both non-political and non-religious. They have impacted a large section of society. This year, we are proud to present an organization that's been working tirelessly for the last 10 years in the field of education for villages. This organization has been educating children online using volunteers from across 250 cities in 20 countries. They have currently educated 25 lakh children across 155 districts through the medium of Teach, through television programs, mobile apps, and digital classroom programs. This organization has an even more ambitious target of reaching 1 crore children. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. V. Ravichandran, Chairperson of the eVidyaloka Trust, as the awardee for the Outstanding NGO Award.
On behalf of the 25 lakh children from across the 155 districts that they come from, on behalf of the 2,500 plus volunteers who are teaching daily from across 20 different countries to 80 different cities, on behalf of all our partners who live in 245 villages, on behalf of the eVidyaloka team, which has been serving this country tirelessly for 10 years, and the Board of Trustees and our CEO, I'm really honored to accept this award from the Rotary Club of Bangalore. I thank you very much. This will give us enough impetus to go to the next 10 years. Thank you so much.